catastrophic flooding in Houston continues as Hurricane Harvey has moved in. Rain is expected for the next 4 to 5 days. 250,000 people are without electricity. There have been 2 casualties already, 2 deaths. One woman who drove her vehicle into the rain, into the water, into a flooded street, and a man in Rockport who has been killed. This is one of the most severe flooding cases that Houston has ever experienced, and it is truly of a disastrous nature. FEMA says that the recovery could go on for years, and we'll be bringing you more updates as more information becomes available.